you guys, I'm getting some video for you guys for now. And right now I'm on a plane or something. Oh my god, guys. 50,000 likes. So guys, I actually stole me a little bit. I was just gonna tell I'm recording this video for you guys because I know you guys want to see the plane take off, so that's why I'm making this dumb video. As you guys can tell, oh nice guys, there's a sun in the background, you guys. On this video. So guys, oh my god guys, this is for real y'all. 50,000 likes on this video. Yep, but that's gonna mean whatever right now, you guys. It's not funny. Yep, I just gotta get down bill for you guys right now. Yeah, that's just a view from the plane, you guys. Hey, we got 4:30. And we got like what? 4:30 a.m. today, you guys. So that plane window, you guys. You guys, we live at 5:30 a.m. today. Are you ready, you guys? On this video? No, today at 5:30 a.m. you guys. So guys, my phone is kind of shaky because I'm holding the phone with my left hand and now I'm holding the phone with my right hand right now. Yep. Hi guys, I'm on a plane right now, you guys. Peace. Yeah, you guys just saw me on the plane just now, you guys. So yeah, y'all. That was me, you guys just saw. As you guys can tell. And yes, I'm wearing 2 masks, guys. Just for the heck of it. Like I told you guys, I told you guys this before yesterday. I was gonna wear 2 masks on the plane. So, yeah. We're not even leaving quite yet, you guys. But we will soon. We will soon, you guys. As you guys can tell, we will leave soon, you guys. But I want to tell you guys to get me for really quick. So smash that like button, never say 50,000 likes, you guys. Okay. Go follow all my social medias right now, you guys. Oh my god, guys, when are we gonna take off? So guys, about this is taking so long of a video. You guys, yep, there's that United plane right in front. Unbelievable, guys. That was good force, not. I'm joking, you guys. Oh, get out of the way. No. I'm joking, y'all. I'm joking, you guys. So listen to me what I'm saying. You guys. Oh man, you guys. Oh yeah, I just got to tell the paint stinks. That's what's a good thing, you guys. Yeah. No kidding. Oh god, you guys. Okay, now this is for real. Holy crap, you guys.
Flight attendants, please be seated for departure.
So guys, I jumped that time. Now just they don't scare me because I think the pilot scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe I'm getting this all on film for you guys. But look, you guys are gonna see the takeoff in just a second, y'all, okay? I swear on you, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys about this. But, oh my god, you guys. So guys, we're just sitting here now again. Once I get a takeoff and this video will be over, y'all. That's just the pain in the back. My eyes got going to hell. Sorry, guys. This is kind of weird. I'm holding the phone in my left hand instead of the right, you guys. As you all can tell, I'm only staying married for like 6 nights or something, you guys. Oh, okay, y'all. It's another thing. It's such a scary, right, y'all? Yeah. Of course it is, you guys. Of course. Okay, I think now you guys, I think this is for real now. Oh, wait, never mind, y'all. Okay, I just wait for this plane and be our time. Oh, God. Yep, you guys, this is now for real, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie now, you guys. 30,000 likes on this video. 60,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel and page station. Of course, and go follow all my social medias. Not page right, a page style and a page station. You guys, okay? So I'm just gonna record this video for you guys right now. Like, I'm scared, y'all, okay? This is crazy, you guys. Oh my god, you guys. Hi guys. Yep, that was me again, you guys, as you all can tell. So guys, I'm kind of shaky at my phone right now. My left hand's kind of shaky with my phone right now. Oh god, you guys, in 3, 2, 1, go, you guys. 50,000 likes, here we go, y'all. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, you guys, this is for real. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys, this is for real now. Come on. We are going so fast right now, you guys. This is crazy. Look at this, you guys. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Oh my god, you guys. Look at this. You guys see this? Can you guys freaking see this? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is crazy. Oh, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is crazy. Whoa. Holy crap. Yo, whoa. Yo. look at this, you guys. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. We're flying. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. Wow, you all, look at this. Oh my god, we're flying now, you guys. Now we're flying. Wow, you guys. Wow, you guys, we're all flying right now. Oh my gosh. This is crazy, y'all. Look at this. You guys see this? Oh wow, y'all. This is the big shark tone right here, y'all. Like, I'm not lying. Hi, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe we just did that, y'all. You guys, we just took off just now, you guys. Oh my crap, oh my gosh, you guys, we're turning again, we're turning. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this, we're turning again. Yep, oh my gosh, guys, look at this. You guys wouldn't see this. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, whoa, you guys, holy crap, whoa. Okay, guys, that was crazy, but okay. Oh my gosh. That feels really weird, you guys. Oh, fine. Oh my gosh, I'm actually hot right now on a plane. Hi, guys. Bye, guys. Oh my gosh, my ears like chopped. My ears. Whoa, that is. Wow, you guys. That is so weird. Whoa, you guys. Like, okay, that wasn't cool at all, you guys. Okay. Oh wow. Guys, now, guys, we're touring again. Look at this. Guys, we're literally just touring again. Oh my god. I'm so hot right now on this plane. Wow, you guys. Wow, you guys. Okay. So, guys, let's seriously just jump again. Whew. So, guys, I'm really hot right now. Bye.